Self-induction. What is the meaning of the term self-induction? From this term itself, it is very clear that it is the induction produced by itself. That is, look at this diagram. It is a copper coil carrying current. When current through the coil varies, varying magnetic flux is produced by the coil. And the coil is situated in the varying magnetic flux produced by itself, which causes production of induced EMF or induced current in the coil. And this induced current is always flow in the opposite direction to the applied current. This phenomenon is called self-induction. Now let us get an expression for self-inductance. Already we know the induced current in the coil depends on the magnetic flux variation in the coil. That is, if phi b is the magnetic flux associated with each turn of the coil, and the coil has n number of turns, total flux associated with the coil is n phi b, and that is proportional to the current I, or induced current is proportional to n phi b, or n phi b is equal to a constant into I, and that constant L is known as self-inductance or coefficient of self-induction. What is self-inductance L from this equation? L is equal to n phi b by I. Let us call this equation as equation number 1. Now, how to define self-inductance? L is equal to n phi b when I is 1. That is, coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance is defined as the magnetic flux change required to produce unit induced current. What is the SI unit of self-inductance? SI unit of self-inductance is Henry. So how to define 1 Henry? 1 Henry is the coefficient of self-induction when 1 Weber magnetic flux change can produce 1 ampere induced current. That is the definition of 1 Henry. Now the same equation we can write in different form. We know n phi b is Li. According to the laws of electromagnetic induction, magnitude of induced EMF is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the coil. That is n times phi b. So if you differentiate n phi b, RHS is d by dt of Li. So here we write E equal to magnitude of induced EMF equal to d by dt of Li or this is equal to L into di by dt. How to define L from the equation E equal to L di by dt? E equal to magnitude of induced EMF is equal to self-inductance when rate of change of current is unity. Or how to define the unit of self-inductance? We know unit of self-inductance is Henry. So 1 Henry is equal to unit of EMF volt, and di by dt is 1 ampere per second. So 1 Henry is defined as the self-inductance of the coil when 1 volt EMF is induced due to a rate of change of current through the coil of 1 ampere per second. Thank you.